Oh, there's something interesting. Oh, I'm a little tired today, but I saw you guys. There's quite a few of them. So those are, I think, they seem to be leaf beetles, because they're on leaves. Nice and colorful. Kind of like the beetles of Australia. Some more over here. Let's see here. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's... Fascinating. Are you... Let's see here. Are you native to Iceland or not? That's quite interesting. Oh! There's some over here who are moving. Come on. Let's see. There we go. Wow. Hello, little friend. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow, that is very nice. So, yeah, their behavior reminds me a bit of the Japanese beetle, who are invasive back home. So I don't know if they are invasive or not, but they're... Oh, wow. Love their little antennas. Very cool. They're on the bushes. All together. It is fall, so it's late in the season. You do look a bit tropical, though, with your nice colors. Hello there. Yeah. Oh. Well, I'm very glad that I found you guys, because that is still a very... Anything that is able to come to Iceland and survive deserves a little medal. Like, congrats, you've managed to adapt to here. The land of ice and fire. And other things. Oh, this guy's moving too. Hello, little friend. Hello. Very nice. Wow. Alright. So, have a good day, everyone. Have a good day.